What's up, crackers? So, I'm going to show you something amazing. Some of you people, especially people that work with analog mixing consoles, etc., or are just from the old school, they know all that stuff. But today I'm going to show you the channel strip from SSL. And this is a really cool thing. What it does, it emulates a channel strip on an analog SSL mixing console, and it gives you a couple of things to play around with. And I'm going to show you how I use it usually in my workflow. So let's head over to the reaction room. And if the camera is nice, then we'll show up. There we go. So, okay. Let's have a look at the thing together, first of all. And we start up here. This is the SSL plugin. You choose it in your channel. We have a lead here that I have just freshly recorded. And we're going to have to just do a little bit of aesthetic work on it and a little bit of everything, you can say. So, when we have audio playing through it, then you see in the channel strip itself the level. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it at around 200 Hertz. And on the high end, I don't need to cut it. Those are the filters, high and low. Next, we have the high frequencies, and those are also important. So you can add a little bit. In this case, I would probably add a little bit of high frequencies. And those are the mids. And those are the low mid frequencies. So just give it a little bit more life. And this is definitely a thing that I am using for pushing frequencies instead of cutting frequencies as well. Then the next thing is we have the compressor. Let's have a look at this. So when I'm activating the ratio and I'm pulling down the threshold, you're going to see it starting to work. If we increase the ratio and the threshold, it will even work more, and we can push it out here. And then we have fast attack here. Which we want in our case. So fast attack on or off. For example, if you would have a snare and you would want to have the transient stand out, then you would have it like that. And if you're compressing a lead like we are at the moment, then fast attack would be a thing that you want to activate, basically. Then you have the release button. I'm going to put it to 17 or 0.17, and there we go. Before and after. But of course, we need to hear it in the context. Let's listen to it with the bass line. And there you go, and you're saving a lot of processing power in a way, because you have like a couple of things in one, basically. And another tip that I can give you is, of course, for example, I have a mid group, a mid bus, which I can just send that through if it's just an element that I want to be low cutted, because if you go to that group, it has a linear phase equalizer that cuts off the low part with 24 decibel per octave. So that is also a trick. I know nowadays we are not so concerned anymore with, processing power, because we have a lot of it, but still it's nice to have some extra headroom, basically. So let's listen to everything together. You can be the judge, but it sounds a lot better. So this is a channel strip. I hope that you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, then smash the like button and subscribe to the Audionerdz channel and head over to the audionerdz.net website. That's audionerdz.net. Audionerdz.net. You can also go to our shop and our course section and our blog section. Just check it out if you want. Enjoy and have an awesome day. Don't forget that you're beautiful. And I see you guys in the next one. Peace out.